Imagine 10 users bidding at the same time. How does everyone see latest price instantly without refreshing? That's exactly what I had to show my auction system. In my previous video, I showed simple overview of my auction system. But in this video, I going deeper, I will show you how it actually works behind the scenes. So this is the system. User can view auction, open one and place the bid. But the interesting part is not the UI. It's what happens when someone click a place bid. Let's say user place bid. First, when this page is loaded, it's called a backend API to get all auction. I am using auctions here and the data is stored in React state. So now the UI is filled with auction. But here is the problem. If the one user places the bid, other users want to see it unless they refresh. That's not how real auction system work. So instead of relying only on API calls, I added SignalR. In my front-end code, I create a hub connection using the hub connection control, connect into the my auction hub URL and enable automatic reconnect. I also pass the authentication token using the access token factory, which is an important secure real-time communication. This is the create continuous live connection between front-end and the server. What happened when the bid is placed? Let's say user click a place bid button. The full system flow works like this. First, the bid is sent to the backend, then backend validate it. If it higher than the current price, the backend update the database. After that is the server broadcast. The new bit is connected to the user. And the final, the front end receive the update and change the UI instantly. On the front end side, this is where it gets the interesting. My code listen for the SignalR event called bid placed. When that event arrives, I update the auction state by mapping a through the exiting auction and replacing the match auction current price and bid count. So instead of reloading the whole page, I only update the specific auction that change. And because this is a React and once the state change, the UI automatically re-render. That means current bid value you see on the auction card update instantly on screen. In the UI, the update price rendered directly from the current price and bid count is also shown from the state. So from user point of view, it's feel live and seamless. And I also add in things like a category filter, bit count and live badge just to improve the user experience. But honestly, building this was not easy. I faced issues like a SignalR connecting not properly, authentication failing for the real-time users, API returning unexpected errors, database mismatching, and the fixing these issues is where I learned the most. The project taught me something important. Building the real system is not just about features. It's about handling the real-time data, edge case, and unexpected failures. In this next video, I will go to the backend setup and backend structure for the SignalR setup. If you are interested in real-time system development, subscribe and follow along. Let's build something real. Thank you.